Hello, I'm Kathleen Sang. I'm the owner and creative director of Sunny Kilogram. Firefox lets you choose which search engine to use for your web inquiries. Today I'm going to show you how to set Google as your default search engine instead of Yahoo. So let's get started. So open up Firefox like I have here. And on the right hand side, notice in the search bar, I have Yahoo set as my search engine. All right. So if we entered a search term right now, let's use tennis as an example, and hit return or enter, we get results that are returned by Yahoo. Okay. So to change that, so let's say that we want to search using Google. All we need to do is click on this little down arrow here. I know it's small, but it's there. It's right next to the Yahoo icon. So let's click on that. And in the drop down, we actually have a lot of other options that we can search from. So let's choose Google, the first one. And if we hit return again, we're going to get results from Google for the same search term. You can use the same method to switch from Google to other search engines available on Firefox. Thanks for watching. I'm Kathleen Sang. Until next time, take care.